Hello student. Today we are starting with the new topic, that is soya bean, from lesson number 1, traditional crops. During the last lecture we have studied about the groundnut, and today we are starting with the new topic, that is soya bean. The botanical name is Glycine max. It is origin from Asia, especially from the China country. Family is Leguminaceae. We know very well and we are very familiar with the soya bean. The seeds of the soya bean are likewise. These are the seeds which are round, oval in shape, pale yellow in color, but very few people know about this soya bean seed because mostly we consume such this type of soya beans in our daily food stuff. Now you will get that this soya bean which we consume as our daily food stuff, and I think you might have got what is mean by soya bean stuff. Now let us see the uses of the soya bean. The most important oil seed as well as pulse crop are consumed for the seed, means soybean oil, which is refined oil majorly used in our country. It is rich in protein, which contain 41% of protein in total seed. It is also used for manufacture of soaps, paints, plastic, candles, etc. It is used as animal feed in the form of hay, pasture oil, milk, etc. Being leguminous crop, it helps in fixation of atmospheric nitrogen as it is leguminous seed. It is also used for the healthy soil filled up for the nitrogen. Then soil. Which kind of soil is mainly preferred for the cultivation of soybean plant? Mostly it is grown in wide range of soil. In our Maharashtra, it is usually grown in light to sandy loam soils. The pH range of this soil must be 6 to 6.5. Crop is very sensitive to waterlogging, particularly during the early stage. Means when the soybean plants are small plantlets, at that time water must not be logged in the field, and so the growth of the soybean plant it is properly done. Now let us see the climate. Soybean is a tropical crop, however also grown in subtropical and temperate region. Optimum range of temperature for its growth is 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, which is very much suitable for the healthy growth of soybean plant. Now let us see the preparatory tillage. In the field, on light to medium type of soil, one deep ploughing is given to a depth of among 15 to 17 centimeter. Clod. The clod which are there in the field, as we know, the sand clod bigs are crushed and 2 to 3 harrowings are done in the same field, which is very good for preparatory tillage. The sowing time. In India, the soybean is grown as a kharif and rabi crop, which is from October to November, and kharif is from June to July. Rabi from October to November and kharif from June to July. Then sowing method and spacing. As we know, the distance between two rows is about 45 to 60 centimeter. Plant to plant distance may be 5 centimeter in the sowing of the seed. Now here suppose seed is there, then after the 5 centimeter you can sow another seed, and the row must be of 45 to 60 centimeter. Gap must be there between the two rows. Then seed rate. The average seed rate is about 65 to 70 kilogram per hectare. Means total about 65 to 75 kilogram seed is required per hectare land. Then before sowing the seed must be treated to prevent the fungal attack. It is mostly treated with Thyrium at 3 kilogram per seed. Intercropping. The soybean is grown as an intercrop with the cereals like jawar, maize and bajra are also grown along with the soybean. Then varieties. There are so many varieties of soybeans are there. Mostly Bragg, Clark, Punjab 1, soybean number 4, JS335, DS228, Max 13, Max 57, Max 58, Max 124, etc. So, major varieties are found in our India. Then manures and fertilizer required. Well decomposed farmyard manure, that is FYM, is added at the rate of 15 bullock cart per hectare space. Here the amount is given: N nitrogen 20 to 25 kg per hectare, P phosphorus 50 kg per hectare, K potassium is 20 to 40 kg per hectare. This much amount of fertilizer is required, and FYM is the manure. It is required 15 cart per hectare. Then irrigation. It is very much necessary because it is grown as a rain-fed kharif crop. During the flowering stage and when the pod is formed, pod of soybean here it is, you can see these are the pod of soybean. Same like the green pea, vatana we call locally. The pods are there, or papdi which is there. Same like soybean pods are there. And during the pod formation, the very much water is needed. The water requirement varies between 450 to 750 millimeter of water. Then intercultivation. During the small stage, after the growth of the seed, small plantlet, first 2 months after sowing, weed is competed with the soybean plant. So, along with the soybean plant, weed is also growing along with the soybean. Then crop rotation. Soybean is rotated with wheat, tobacco, potato, etc. Means after sowing or removing the soybean plant, you can also grow in the same field wheat, tobacco, potato, etc. Soybean is rotated also with maize, maca, cotton, jawar, groundnut, bajri, etc. Then plant protection. It is very much necessary for the high quality and quantity yield of the soybean that the plant must be protected from the pest and diseases. The pest, as we know in earlier lecture also, stem borer is there, pod borer, hairy caterpillar, white flies, aphids, etc. And the disease which are there, these are bacterial blight, mosaic, leaf spot, downy mildew, etc. These are pests and diseases which are causing harm to the growth of the soybean plant. And therefore, there are also control measures for all these pests and diseases. For example, use of resistant varieties and treatment of organomercurial fungicides like cerazine are effective control measures for this pest and disease control. Also, for example, 50 EC is also very much helpful for to control the vector which spreads of viruses or using healthy seeds for sowing. In such a way, we can protect the plant, and from the weed we directly cut with the help of sickle or with the help of weedicide. Spraying the chemicals fertilizer, we can control the weeds for the plant protection. After the protection of the plant, harvesting is done. As we know that soybean matures in 90 to 120 days after sowing the seeds. When the pods which are there, it turns yellow and dry. At harvesting time, the moisture contained in grain should be 15 to 17 centimeter, 17% of the moisture contained when remain in the seed. At that time it is ready for harvesting. We can also cut with the help of the sickle or also by the harvesting machine. The yield of the soybean per hectare according to the varieties, that is pure rainfed crop, mixed crop and irrigated crop. Here 10 to 15 quintal seeds are getting per hectare. Mixed crop is 3 to 4 quintal per hectare and irrigated crop with 35 to 40 quintal per hectare. In such a way we can get the quality and quantity high yield of the soybean crop. Now let us again see. The botanical name is Glycine max. Origin from Asia, especially from the China country. Families Leguminaceae, as fix the nitrogen in the soil. Uses are there, as we saw, very much uses. Almost in our country it is used as an oil for, also for milk formation of the hay, pasture oil, etc. For the fixation of nitrogen. Soil is in Maharashtra, it is usually light to sandy loams, pH range, crop sensitive, water logging particularly. Climate which is there, it is subtropical and temperate regions. Optimum range between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, which is very best for growing the soybean crop. Preparatory tillage, it is medium, light to medium with the 15 to 17 centimeter of the depth. It is been plowed. Clod is been crushed with the harrowings by 2 to 3 times. Sowing season time, kharif and rabi crop is there. Sowing method which is there, in between two rows, that is 45 to 60 centimeter space is there, and in between the two seeds 5 centimeter space is there. Seed rate for sowing is 65 to 75 kg per hectare. Seed treatment is done for the protection of fungal diseases. Intercropping is done with the cereals like jowar, maize and bajra. Varieties are there, so many varieties we saw earlier about the soybean. Manures and fertilizers which are there, 15 cart per hectare. Manures is required, while fertilizer are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium.